Starting off our list at number 5 is the Kinazusi 2-pack Universal Bike Phone Mounts. This budget-friendly option comes with not one, but 2 mounts, which is ideal for families or those who use multiple bikes. The mounts are made from high-quality silicone, making them lightweight and flexible, while also providing shock absorption to protect your phone from vibrations and scratches. Plus, the 360-degree rotation feature allows you to adjust your phone to any angle, making it perfect for GPS navigation. In terms of design and build quality, the Kinazusi mounts are simple yet effective. The silicone material ensures a snug fit for phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including bulkier cases. However, the lack of rigid structure means it's not the best choice for rough mountain trails, as the phone may wobble slightly on bumpy terrain. Installation is a breeze. Just wrap the silicone strap around the handlebar and you're good to go. It's like putting on a wristwatch. The biggest selling point here is the value. For the price, you get 2 mounts that are perfect for casual use. These are best suited for city commuters or riders who stick to smooth roads. While the silicone design offers flexibility, it may not provide the same level of security as mounts with locking mechanisms. If you're looking for affordability and simplicity, this is a great pick. Pros include its lightweight design and easy installation, while cons include limited stability on rough terrain. In at number 4, we have the Amslove Bike Phone Holder Mount. This product shines in its versatility, fitting phones between 4.5 to 6.8 inches and working well across a range of vehicles, including bicycles, motorcycles, and even strollers. It features anti-vibration technology and a secure grip, making it a reliable option for city streets and light trails. The 360-degree rotation adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to position your phone for optimal viewing. The design is sleek and weather-resistant, which is a big plus for riders who face unpredictable conditions. The installation process is tool-free and straightforward. Just tighten the mount around handlebars ranging from 0.6 to 1.2 inches. The Amslove mount is also built to leave your phone's charging ports and sensors accessible, so you can use facial recognition or plug in a charger without hassle. That said, at only 3.86 ounces, it feels slightly less robust compared to higher-end mounts. This mount is great for casual riders and commuters, but it may not be the best choice for rugged mountain biking. While the anti-vibration feature is effective on moderate bumps, the plastic build doesn't inspire as much confidence for extreme conditions. The pros include its weather-resistant design, ease of installation, and budget-friendly price. On the downside, it lacks a locking mechanism for added security on rough rides. At number 3, we have the Deerfun Detachable Bike Phone Holder. This mount is all about convenience, thanks to its detachable design that allows you to remove your phone without disassembling the entire unit. Whether you need to take a quick selfie or answer a call, this feature makes it incredibly user-friendly. Made from tough, stretchy silicone bands, the Deerfun mount securely fits a wide range of smartphones, from iPhones to Samsung Galaxy models. The build quality is solid, and the silicone material does a great job of gripping both the phone and handlebars. It's designed to fit handlebars between 18 to 35 millimeters, and the adjustable straps mean no tools are required for installation. The 360-degree rotation is another highlight, allowing you to easily switch between portrait and landscape modes. However, while the silicone is durable, it doesn't offer the same rigidity as mounts with metal or hard plastic components. The Deerfun mount excels in urban environments and smooth terrain, but it's not ideal for heavy off-road use. The biggest advantage here is its user-friendly detachable design, which makes it a breeze to use. On the flip side, the silicone straps may stretch over time, reducing their grip. Pros include its ease of use, tool-free installation, and wide compatibility. Cons are the lack of a locking mechanism and reduced stability on very rough roads. Taking the runner-up spot is the Pintree 2025 new upgraded bike phone holder. This mount is designed for riders who value convenience and durability. The standout feature here is the 3-second installation mechanism, which is as simple as twisting a bottle cap. It's a game changer for riders who want a hassle-free setup. The mount is compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7.2 inches, including those with thicker cases, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The build quality is impressive, with enhanced ripple silicone padding on the corners and back for superior shock absorption. This makes it ideal for rough terrain, as it effectively shields your phone from vibrations. The one-click locking mechanism is another highlight, ensuring your device stays secure even on bumpy roads. Additionally, the 360-degree ball joint allows for full adjustability, so you can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes. The pin-tree mount is perfect for mountain bikers and adventurers who need a reliable and sturdy phone holder. The only drawback is its slightly higher weight at 6.7 ounces, which might not appeal to riders looking for an ultralight option. Pros include its quick installation, excellent shock absorption, and wide compatibility. Cons are its heavier build and slightly higher price point compared to other options. Finally, taking the top spot is the Lamicall bike phone holder, and for good reason. This mount is the ultimate combination of durability, security, and ease of use. Its unique design grips all 4 corners of your phone securely, and the red locking switch on the back ensures your device won't budge, even on the roughest trails. The silicone pads provide excellent shockproof protection, keeping your phone safe from vibrations and scratches. The build quality of the Lamicall mount is outstanding. It's made from high-quality materials that feel both sturdy and lightweight at just 7 ounces. The wide compatibility makes it suitable for phones between 4.7 and 6.8 inches, including thick cases. The mount fits handlebar diameters ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches, making it versatile enough for bicycles, motorcycles, and even strollers. Installation is tool-free, and the adjustable design allows for both horizontal and vertical viewing angles. This is the best option for riders who want a premium experience without breaking the bank. The Lamicall mount excels in all categories, from build quality to user experience. The only minor downside is that it's slightly bulkier than silicone mounts, but the added security is well worth it. Pros include its sturdy design, wide compatibility, and excellent shock absorption. Cons are minimal, with only a slight bulkiness to consider. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect bike phone mount for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.